Hello to all my friends out there. So this video is how just finding out one or two things now and then to do with prepping can really give you a better life. Okay, so if you stockpile a little tea and you drink some, it doesn't have to be strong tea, but some weak tea, whereas normally you might reach for a can of soda, you'll save money. Also, if you do that in the event that something happens, this is 200 bags tea for $2, $1 each. And if you make it the day before, then you have your nice cold iced tea all ready to go if you should need it. Like I need it right this minute. That much tea wouldn't even cost a single cent. Okay, so now, here we go. Earlier today, I made this homemade yogurt. And what's going to happen now that I know how to make the homemade yogurt is I'm never going to run out of yogurt again. And homemade yogurt is much yummier than store-bought. I bought the yogurt when I went to, this is good, you guys. And you know what tastes really, really good? This yogurt when it first comes out of the oven. It's really easy to make. Just scroll down. I made it 100 times. And then I stockpile frozen fruit, all kinds. I get it at Dollar Tree. And so I will just sprinkle a few frozen blueberries on my yogurt. It could be frozen. You know what is really tasty? What is really, really tasty is just plain old canned pears. So there's going to be no more running out of yogurt. For one thing, you're going to stockpile milk, any kind, powdered milk, shelf-stable milk, evaporated milk. This was made with evaporated milk, and this yogurt is pretty much no fail. So by getting just one or two recipes now and then, you're going to enhance your life. And if something happens, you're not running out of yogurt. Dairy is very, very important. Even if it's not a catastrophic event, why run out of yogurt? You can make smoothies. You can just, this is vanilla yogurt. And so now, I used a vanilla yogurt. Maybe I can find the container. Yogurt is one of those things you can, I save the little things. You can buy good yogurt marked down. And once you have made your yogurt, you can use your own yogurt for a starter. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.